Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa mga video na i-upload ko sa aming YouTube channel.
So, for the other documentary requirements, kung yung miyembro po ay at least 60 years old but below 65, kung kayo po ay employed, certificate of separation issued by your last employer or certificate of employment issued by your last employer stating the period of employment. Kung sakali naman po na sabihin natin, sarado ng company, affidavit of separation from employment or cessation of self-employment with undertaking regardless of the status of your employer. Okay. So, kung meron naman pong minor child o children, yung retiree, birth certificate po ng bata. Okay. So, paano naman mag-submit ng retirement application online? Okay. So, ito po yung second option ng ating mga miyembro. So, pwede po siyang i-submit via your My.SSS account. So, all you have to do is log into your My.SSS account and under the benefits menu, i-click nyo lang po yung apply for retirement. Ensure na updated po yung inyong contact information before you proceed with your application. Okay? So, para po doon sa online application, ang una pong ipapakita sa inyo ng system ay yung inyong employment history. So, you have to check kung yan po ay in order and correct. Okay, so kung may discrepancy, so pwede po ninyo i-cancel yung inyong application and visit any SSS office nearest you and request for manual verification. Pero kung in order siya and correct, click on the proceed button to continue. So next step po, sasagutin nyo lang po yung mga questions. So answerable ba yan po? Answerable po yan ng yes or no. Then after that, ipapakita na po sa inyo ng system yung inyong effective date of retirement as well as yung estimated retirement pension. So dito po, meron na kayo idea, more or less, magkano yung magiging pension ninyo. So if you agree, click on proceed to continue. So after that, ipapakita naman ng system, okay, yung mga previously na in-avail ninyo, previously na providing nyo na information. So validate the details provided and select whether you wish to avail of the 18 months advance pension. So ito po yan. So, nandito po siya. Yung mga gusto mag-avail ng advance 18 months, i-click nyo lang po, yes or no. Okay? So, yung, by the way, ito pong option na to is not available for retirees with at least 15 months accrued pension. Okay? So, after providing yung mga other information, click on proceed again to continue. So, after clicking on the proceed button, so, i-display na po ng system lahat po ng pre-provide ninyo na information. So, kindly confirm the information provided at if it is correct and in order, click on proceed to continue. So, next step po, online certification with undertaking. So, just tick the box if you agree and click on certify and submit button to continue. So, after clicking on certify and submit, so as proof that you have successfully submitted your application for retirement, meron pong corresponding transaction number yan. Okay, so tandaan po natin, lahat ng transaction i-avail po ninyo, mapa sa SSS website yan or sa ating mobile app may corresponding transaction number yan. So kung halimbawa, after clicking the certify and submit, nag-blank screen lang siya, ulitin lang po natin. Okay, again, dapat may transaction number yan. Also, as proof na successfully nasabit po natin yung ating application, meron pong notification tayo na matatanggap sa ating My SSS inbox. Ganun din po sa ating registered email address.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.